So now let's see how we can work around with kaleidoscope effect inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with the kaleidoscope effect, first of all, you need to go around over here onto filter, and then you need to go around onto the distort option right here. And over here you can see that kaleidoscope is an option. So once you apply the kaleidoscope, you can see that it actually goes around and replicates out the object right here. You can change around the angle of the object right here to take a different spot right here, and it takes the elements of the picture and repeats it out right here. As you can see here, you can see the head, and let's say you got the feet of the bird right here. You can also change around the level of mirror right here, just like this, to make it like 20 mirrors, or you can go around and make it 2 mirrors as well. So if I were to go around onto 1, it doesn't take the value. Type in 30 right here, then it can be more than what you have as well. So let's say, for example, you can also go up to 100 right here, just like this, so that you get more of this effect, as you can see right here. So it does not need to be limited to 20, which is provided by the slider as well. And you can change around the angle, as you can see right here, and get the effect that you want, just like this. So this is how you can go ahead and apply the kaleidoscope effect inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.